Nice windmill things.
That was like 20 bucks. That was on the boardwalk. I was so excited when I saw that. I was like, 20 bucks? Because I thought, I don't know. Sometimes I don't know. I would think that'd be a lot more. You know what I mean? To me, that's like 40 bucks.
McQueen, I just found a McQueen car yesterday.
Yeah.
Let me load that bag up. Is that your bag?
Yeah.
Roaches. We need our medicine down there. Right from the earth, early and often. Morning, noon, and night. All you.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's cool. They move in the wind. That's nice.
Yeah, I didn't tie it there.
The kids love it.
It just sounded up there like that.
There you go.
It works.
The wind puts it where it wants.
Yes.
You got your fig button on. Good man. On to the next year, huh?
It's coming 25
Times.
times.
More ganja, please. More art, more ganja. Outdoor healthy culture. Bring back the hoops courts, would you? Bring back the hoops courts. Oh yeah.
It's fun.
That's the shit, huh?
We'll play soon.
When you playing next?
I don't know. As soon as I'm
When we heal up. All right.
As soon as I'm healed,
We're
we'll
gonna
play a
play.
game and see what you think.
We gotta play. Trash ball coming soon. If you want what you never had, you must do what you never done.
Must.
Amen. Push yourself.
Where you on?
Put up smart. Slap up some ganja art for the kids, for the tourists, for the locals.
I gotta get
people.
to Santa Monica as quick as back as possible.
Oh, you got this.
I know.
The wind's got your back.
It's not best.
We're on the wind. Native style.